Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to add a custom tab in PIM Web UI. Step 1 is to add a definition tag with a custom debug ID, custom tab ID, permission ID, along with the fields and logical key field to be available under this custom tab and article detail tab XML file, which will be under Web Definitions default folder. Step 2 is to add a label for this custom tab along with a custom permission and a description in article detail tab, properties file, and other locale files, which will be under Web Definitions default folder. Step 3 is to place these files outside the default folder and perform a PIM restart or an application reset by logging in Pimwebui using administrator user. Once this is done, log into PIM Web UI using invalid user account, and in the detail view you will find the new tab which has been created is available now with the fields being configured, and the custom permission of it is available under interface visibility rights. Thank you.